Deep Pore Cleaning Makeover satisfying blackhead extraction results. A deep pore cleaning makeover can completely transform the look of your skin. In today's video, we are performing a full facial treatment focused on removing blackheads and deeply cleansing the pores. This treatment helps improve skin clarity and texture while giving the skin a fresh and healthy appearance. What is a pore cleaning makeover? A pore cleaning makeover is a skincare treatment designed to remove impurities from the pores and improve the overall condition of the skin. Over time, oil and dirt can build up inside the pores, leading to blackheads and dull skin. This treatment focuses on deep cleansing and extraction to restore clear skin. Facial preparation. The treatment begins with cleansing the skin. This step removes surface dirt and prepares the skin for deeper treatment. Steam is then applied to open the pores. This makes the extraction process easier and more effective. Blackhead extraction. Using professional tools, blackheads are carefully removed from the pores. Each extraction is done slowly and gently to avoid damaging the skin. As the pores are cleaned, the skin begins to look smoother and more refreshed. Skin recovery. After extraction, soothing and hydrating products are applied. These help calm the skin and restore moisture. This step is important for maintaining healthy skin. Final transformation. At the end of the treatment, the skin looks cleaner, smoother, and more radiant. The pores are less visible, and the overall texture is improved. Regular deep pore cleaning can help maintain these results.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.